Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make palmier, which I grew up eating anytime I go to the bakery, and I have to get palmier, which is one of my favorite pastry. And today I want to make it, but I'm using puff pastry. It's store bought puff pastry, and I'm using 2 sheets, which is 1 pound each. So you want to make your homemade, it just takes so long, so I rather buy it in the store, which is so quick and easy. So all we need is some sugar and some dry flour, a rolling pin, and also a large baking tray just like that, lined with parchment paper. And this is how simple this palmier is. So what I'm gonna do is first floured my working surface, and then we're gonna start rolling the dough, and I'm gonna start rolling one at a time. Okay guys, so I have rolled both sheets for about 10 to 12 inches, and then I'm just gonna put one sheet on top of the other, and I'm gonna kind of pressing down so it can stay. And now we're gonna spread sugar all over the sheet, and I'm gonna start from one corner and fold the dough and also sprinkle more sugar, and I'm gonna fold one more time. Make sure this is tight, and also more sugar. Each sheet has to have sugar, and then I'm gonna do the same 2 times on this side, 1 more time on this side, more sugar, and 1 more time on this side. We're just gonna make it even, just like so, and then we're gonna put more sugar as well. For an easy cut, I just move the dough on to my side, and I'm also gonna put more sugar in all between. And now I'm gonna start cutting it. I'm gonna cut it about 1 inch, and as you arrange them, leave space between each other because they are going to span to be big, and that way they can have enough room. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle more sugar on top of each of them, and then this is ready to go bake. And my palmier was baking for 30 minutes in the preheated oven, 400 Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to flip the palmier over so it can bake. Look at how gorgeous, so gorgeous. So the other side needs to get brown as well, and it's gonna take less than half an hour. For another 15 minutes my palmier was baking on the other side, and they are nice and golden brown, and it is hot right now, but I still want to try breaking it and show you. You can hear the crunch, my favorite at all time. It is hot, so flaky. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, and check my channel La Cuisine Laila for more recipes. I'm gonna go dig into this palmier, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.